Mexican President Andrés Manuel López Obrador declared the suspension of diplomatic relations with Ecuador following the arrest of former Vice President Jorge Glass. The arrest occurred on Friday evening at the Mexican embassy in Quito, where Glass had sought political asylum in December. Despite Mexico granting asylum earlier that day, Ecuadorian police forcibly entered the embassy to make the arrest, prompting Obrador to announce the suspension of ties with Ecuador. The Ecuadorian president's office said in a statement it had arrested Glass, who was vice president under the leftist government of Rafael Correa between 2013 and 2017. There was a heavy military presence at the magistrate's court in the Andean capital, where the former vice president was taken. The arrest caps a week of escalating tensions between Mexico and Ecuador, which on Thursday declared Mexico's ambassador in Quito persona non grata, citing unfortunate comments from the leftist president López Obrador. Ecuador contends that Mexico's asylum offer was illegal. In a statement, Ecuador's presidency accused Mexico of having abused the immunities and privileges granted to the diplomatic mission that housed the former vice president and granting diplomatic asylum contrary to the conventional legal framework. López Obrador directed Mexican Foreign Minister Alicia Bárcena to suspend diplomatic relations with Ecuador, condemning the arrest as authoritarian and a breach of international law and Mexican sovereignty. Bárcena promptly announced the immediate suspension of diplomatic ties with Ecuador. Ecuadorian authorities had requested permission from Mexico to enter the embassy and apprehend Glass, who had been convicted in 2017 for accepting bribes from the Brazilian construction company Odebrecht in exchange for government contracts. Glass, facing a preventive arrest warrant in another corruption case, alleges persecution based on his political ties, a claim Ecuador's government refutes. Tensions escalated between Ecuador and Mexico after President López Obrador's remarks on Ecuador's turbulent elections last year, marked by the assassination of a presidential candidate. President Daniel Noboa, who assumed office late last year, grappled with a surge in drug-related violence, prompting him to declare a nationwide state of emergency earlier this year, a measure he extended last month.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.